Welcome to Williamson Brothers Garage in Gorebridge. Wet belt specialists throughout the whole of Scotland. A couple of our wet belts that we've recently done the last couple of days. Customer from Aviemore Way came in with two 18 plate Focus with a snapped timing belt. That's just had a brand new engine. Customer from Cairngorm Gifts came over from Pitlockery for his wet belt replacement. We like to see responsible ownership of their vehicles, people getting their wet belts done, their servicing done on time. Plenty of work from all over Scotland and Northern Ireland. Wet belts after wet belts after wet belts. For all your wet belt requirements, servicing, MOT repairs, clutches, timing chains, for Williamson Brothers in Gorebridge.